Alright, today we have a really nice film emulation lookup table, and we're using Photoshop for our demo here, but you can use CapCut, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Adobe Premiere. So I've got my lookup table loaded in here, Moody film. Here's before and here's after. Before and after, add some nice color and nice warm skin tone. So what I'll do is I'll put a link down below so you can download, and we're going to demo a few more here. Let's go to the Portra 160 film. That's similar to the one we just have for free. There you go, before, after, and we're going to add one more. Let's try Astia. So it's coming through really strong. Let's just dial them both back, and let's go to this one. This was the 160, and I'm liking that. So the nice thing is you can double up the LUTs. This is great for photos, and let's just group those. Let's check out before and after. Here's before and after. So I loaded in Kodak Portra 160 and also the Fuji Astia LUT. Adjusted the opacity on both and came up with this original look. All right, again, I'll put a link down below for the free lookup table, and also put a link down below for the Pro collection. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.